I welcome you all to our today's lesson. So today we are actually going to look at calculus, and we are still looking at calculus. So last time we did differentiation, or should I say derivatives. Okay, that is what we did in the last lesson. So in this lesson we are going to actually look at what we call integration. Okay, so we are going to look at what? Integration. Okay, so you'll be given a question to say that integrate this question. When you're given a question to say integrate this question, to integrate. So now I want to show you the formula on how you can use the formula that you can use to integrate this kind of equation. So this is the formula. So it is going to be x to the power n plus 1, then over n plus 1. That is the formula that you are going to use. Remember, in the previous video I actually said that n represents the what? The power. Okay, n represents the power. Then x, it is just a letter that is attached to a certain coefficient, or that is attached to any number. Okay, so now which one is the power here? Here we said that 4x, it is power 3. Okay, so that is the power that I am actually talking about. Okay, so we are going to use this same formula to solve this question. There are a lot of questions that you're going to find, and they will be talking about the same thing, but what you need to use is the same formula that I have given you. N power x, let me write it here. So it is x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now, if you look at this formula here, what you are seeing up here as the power, it is just the same as what is down there. Okay, so make sure that what is up here, it is what you are dealing with down there. So if you want to solve this question, what you're going to do is you're just going to copy what you have here. You're going to say it is 4x to the power what? To the power 3. But now it is saying that we should say the 3 plus 1. You are just going to add a 1 here, plus 1, like that. Okay, then down here you're going to get what you have put up here, 3 plus 1, like that. Then you continue. This is a positive, right? So you're going to say it is 2x to the power 2. Then you're just going to add the 1. As simple as that. Have you seen how calculus is simple? So you're going to say plus a 1. Okay, then here we are going to say it is a plus 3. Okay, so now what you need to put in mind is that any number or any constant which doesn't have a letter, what you're going to do is you're going to put a letter x, and then you're going to put it is a power 0. It is a power 0 because we said that in the previous video we said that any number or any letter to the power 0, it is actually equal to what? Is equal to 1. Any number to the power 0 is what? Is equal to 1. It can be 100 or it can be any letter. It is equal to what? To a 1. Okay, so meaning that there is a 1 here. 3 times a 1, it is just a 3 itself. Okay, so that is what it means. So now here we said that we include that x to the power 0, but you are going to add a 1. Since we are adding a 1 there, we are adding a what? We are adding a 1. That is what we are going to do. And then remember that we are going to put what we have there down here as 0 plus 1, like that. That is what we are going to do. Have you seen how simple it is? Then from here we are going to say, just copy what you have there. We are going to say 4x to the power 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, you're going to have a 4. Then down here we are going to say 3 plus 1, you're going to have what? A 4 down there. Then it's going to be plus 2x powered. You're going to add 2 plus 1, you're going to have a 3. Down here 2 plus 1, you're going to have a what? A 3. Then plus, okay, you're going to say this is just a 3x to the power what? This is power 1, and anything to the power 1, it's just the same as leaving it like that. Okay, then you're going to say over 0 plus 1, it's just a 1. As simple as that. And if you see now, calculus is simple, so don't have any difficulties. So before I explain everything, because I know that this is very simple for you and I've made it simple for you, make sure that you give me a follow if it is on Facebook or any other platform. And I'm also found on TikTok. You can also find me on YouTube. Okay, so I also do online tuitions. If you want to get in touch with me, you can WhatsApp me on 0975 334778. That is my phone. That is my number, 0975 334778. I'm your tutor, Patrick Divine. Make sure that you WhatsApp me on this line. I will talk to you about the tuitions. I will explain to you about the tuitions. So here now, what you are supposed to do is to divide what is here, because there is a 4 here. Then we're going to say 4 into that 4, it is just a 1. So meaning that the 4 will go, then what you're going to remain with it is x to the power what? To the power 4. Then you go on saying that 3 into that 2, it is just the same as 3 over 2. So you're going just to copy this, x to the power 3 over 3, then plus 1 into 3x, you're going to have 3x. Then that is your answer. That is your answer. So doing this question, have you seen that calculus is very simple? We are making it simple for you. So we offer tuitions, online tuitions, and these are actually live tuitions. Okay, live tuitions where you are able to ask questions. So I do tuitions in mathematics and the sciences. So make sure that you inbox me on that same WhatsApp line. Thank you for watching. I've been your tutor, Patrick Divine.